This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about trays, specifically these bamboo trays with handles. And we have several styles of these natural bamboo rectangle serving trays. And there's some differences in the styles and a little bit in the sizes as well. So we have this wonderful 13.5 by 9.5 by 1 inch tray, and you can see it's a very traditional style tray that has those two great slots for the handles. And we have a larger size of the same style, which is 19.75 by 14 by 1 inch deep as well. And those are great for some lovely kind of traditional style trays. And then we have these that are kind of like slatted crates back here. And we have the largest one, which is 20.75 inches long by 13 wide and 3.25 inch deep. And then we have the one on top. It's 22.5 inches long by 11 inches wide and 2.75 inches deep. And you can see these also feature nice handles on the end. And I like that these have higher sides, so if you're carrying something heavy or you think it might slide around, this is a really nice option for really keeping things contained. And you can see the one below it features slats on the sides and actually has a solid bottom to it. So there's some really nice different options for these bamboo trays with handles. They're all made from natural bamboo, so it's got that perfect warm organic feel to it. It's a really nice touch to your service. It's got a soft light color and that natural wood grain, and it's a really eye-catching and attractive thing to have on hand, especially for doing something like catering service. The bamboo itself is durable and chip resistant. It's also shatterproof as well, so it can really stand up to heavy use. The handles make them easy to carry, especially for past service or restocking of items. So these are great for coffee shops, bakeries, pastry shops, food trucks and stands, gourmet grocers and kiosks, restaurants and caterers, and really any food establishment. They're great for making wonderful, warm, natural displays or for using for past service of foods.